Hey, Sean.
Yo!
Come here.
Nah, come.
Bomba, tama ko bago yun so. Good mo.
But start me do a year. Bago.
Si Frama may gala pa rin. Dali kaya enough girl brother. Yo, you see I first girl and can me know hey come on dog. Me do some things so you know. Yeah, I remember when when me and you did a set up on prank festival there. Did I do one day? I when we wake up in my guy, that me still in my bed. You remember the night that when me and you did set up the prank day? Yeah. Yo, you say anytime mommy come back, me I tell mommy, you know. I tell mommy. Brother, that girl that do everything we don't like. Brother. And it's disgusting. Every time I go in the bathroom, I not flush it. Every time somebody I fear what they do, so I put one clothespin on their nose, I wash so I flush the bathroom. Ah, chana brother. Yo, yeah, alright. Yo, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what happened now. You see tonight, when he come back again, we are go, you see when daddy gone and he left with him, we are go terrorize him a year. We are go trouble him and call him names a year. Tonight, me going a year. Disgusting me, brother. I go like everybody at me. And everything when me have in the fridge. You remember I candy when me and you did a cheer? When mommy send down. Yeah, we send down with his best friend. Yo, with his send down. We there it is sitting. And then that's a movie we there watch and we there it is sitting. And then when we say we don't want no. And then when me and you say we don't want no more. We go in there. And it bag empty. Empty. But you know see a she. No, because no that tree. Brother, we must have security camera in there. So why you put up security camera in the middle? Because, yo, you see if he never come there, me won't put up no security camera. No. And when he come there and he come back in yard, me put up it before he come back. You know, me know what she don't like. She don't like fast food. And she don't like mixed vegetable. So you see, she like broccoli. Not broccoli. Well, she like rice and peas. Or rice and peas. Curry chicken. So you go add so barbecue sauce for it. Sauce, remember saying no like barbecue sauce. And pepper we add. And cut up a pepper seed. Cut up a pepper. Cut up a white. You can crush it up and throw in there and mix over the food and then so anytime you start it, we are going to throw it in water out of the fridge and we are go and you see a pipe we are go mash up here and we are go when daddy not there again we are go call one plumber betting come fix the back here so people can burn him. What's that she don't like KFC? KFC? I asked me best friend. Add every KFC some panda. Yeah. Add some chili sauce. I hear? Huh? Add some chili sauce. You remember say a chili sauce I add this pepper and I just add that. I want to get you one chip challenge for money. We are going to trick her and I said what chips. Alright, you see? Brother.
Hey Jay,
Yeah.
wanna come here?
How come? Why get up? Daddy, I can't. Let me not know that one. Shut up. Yes, Daddy.
Hear me answer. Go over the shop over there, so. And go buy one bottle of water for me. And listen to me. The man say no trouble him, you know. Me don't want to no trouble the man.
Yes, Daddy.
You hear me say?
Yes, Daddy.
Me not laugh today, you know. You laugh at me.
I'm sorry.
Come turn up, come man. Hold it. You go on.
Dick. Yeah, we have a trouble. I come. She got help back. Yeah, we call him. She got help back. Now we call him shit bad. That one funny name forward. Come let's go. Yo, man, wake up and you don't make no road noise. Beach me team too. Not really, man. Man, got to make a favor, right? So, yo, water. Yeah, man, give me water. You come, man. You man did asleep.
Hey boy, you know me, I'll tell your father upon you. Me not sure if you are female, you know, but me sure know say you are not female, you know.
Shut up, your mouth.
How we are talk to? I go and warn no father about you know. How? Because me don't know which part this time I get a crosses pitney from. Yeah? Which part you come from? Oh, Mr. Butler. Mr. Village Lawyer, what am to you? Come out here to me, man. Yo, you see you two bad breed pity them. When you have boy place here when you top terrorize me. If they want to ever put back them foot over my shop. You will see. Then you know, just send them to come over there, come buy one water from you. Then what you talk about? I see them, you know. I take a little push snap. No, so for me son they now do that. What you say? Me just send them out of here a while ago figure buy water. Hey man, listen to me man. Make one of them make see there. And they mark it X. Oh man, nobody with the foolishness man. Left me picking them out to your name. For me picking them now do that. I water me send them to come buy. Where then they? Hey Jay! Tashan! Me say, I sit down, you know man. I take a little push snap. And the two little boy them just, man, listen to me, man. You best thing you do, you go along over your shop, and that me I tell you, you hear? All right, Mr. Butler, all right. And the last time me I come warn you, that's all me I tell you. You must want shot rain round on this backside. Last time me I warn you, Mr. Butler.
Rejoice and be glad, the Redeemer has come. Oh, look on his grave,
Hey,
his cross and his...
Sister Williams, beg you a minute there. Beg you a minute there, Sister Williams, because
Yes, sir. What it is? What it is all about now?
like Sister Williams, Mr. Butler have two pitney down there.
Where is it to me?
Jesus Christ, them is a menace to the community. If him not put them on leash, Miss Williams, them are gonna be a problem to the community.
Mhm.
Problem.
Then they're so bad.
Me say, Miss Williams, me say me down there, you know, down at my shop. And the two little boy them come there and bust something. Me drop off of the chair, almost broke my back.
And then I reach nowhere in our life, you think?
All the little boy them do is go around and terrorize people.
No, man, they have to put a stop into that. Yeah, they miss you with them and the police. Let them get trained now.
Listen, we need to probably call the policeman from the father and make some
Right.
CDA come have some intervention over there. Because it's not nice for we as a decent citizens in the community, you know, to be living bad because of some picnic.
No, sir.
We don't want no hoodlums in this place because
it's a quiet little community and we don't want no all kind of ups and downs in it.
you think a little cane me cut for live run or so? Eh? If come make people and them picnic come run me from here?
No, sir. You're supposed to be like that. If you ain't gone with their mother, man, they ain't not down there.
Him gone with him mother?
He must have gone with their mother.
Then them in the year say mother gone a foreign, man. Year say mother gone a foreign. It's just Mr. Butler down there with them. But tell you, it's not even that, you know. Mr. Sister Russell, you know. After Sister Russell go to church Sunday night, it's a taxi man, missy. She bring in her yard. Eh?
That no good. That is not good enough, man.
That not good.
No, sir.
And then them go to church and anybody come in there, you know. If she go to the pastor, she go to the pastor and chat anybody come in there. Like as she alone, the pastor must look up to. Eh? As she alone a true offering and tithe that church.
No, sir. Everybody else are true.
Everybody are true. But no, because him go to the pastor with any little mix up on them and the pastor listen to it. Anything can go on, you know. But him not tell the pastor say at night time him have one little taxi man to him at night time. But him go there with people business.
Right. And that no good at all.
And then you say you go praise the Lord.
No, sir.
Eh? When the young girl ain't come in, she run them out. Any girl come there and dress little nicer than her, or put themselves together, she run them out.
No, sir.
It's not nice.
I'm a Christian, that.
And then say I'm a Christian. And them people, they make people not go to church, you know.
True, man. True.
They make people not go to church because them behavior. Them are not clean, them are do God's work.
And them are do that.
And them are do, you know want to see what them are doing night time.
Yes, sir.
You know want to see what them are doing night time come. But anyways, I they come go down at my shop, you see.
Okay.
I got lock up and ensure to them because I say, man, if them two little boy they ever come back over my shop, sister, you not gonna know what me go do with them. If them ever cross back foot come over my shop, I go warn your father today, you know, and your father tell me about gunshot, you know.
No, he mad. That's why I tell us if you get the police involved. If they can't hear, let them put you under control.
Listen, man, it's just a shame, man. It's just a shame we have to live in our community and the little people have them picnic and can't control them.
Right.
I come terrorize me. Eh? Me not get the picnic because me never want none, you know.
No.
Because me can't manage them picnic.
Too much problem.
Too much problem. But anyways, I come good on you see.
Mm.
Take care. And remember, you know, I want some, me run out a little coconut oil, so me go want some for my shop. So when I make another batch, make me get some here.
All right, sir.
All right.
All right, Mr. Village Lawyer. I'll see you sometime.
All right. I don't come good on you here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So,
All the best. Yes.
right. So look more. As me say, we go want some more of the coconut oil.
All right.
You understand? Because my shop they run out.
When me make some, you get it, man.
All right. And me mind you know, them little ulums there. Them watch them. Miss about the two pitney them. But anyways, not tell them say I'm telling them about Sister Russell.
No, sir. No.
All right, later.
All right.
On the bed. Under your bed, Ronnie. What you was doing on the bed at this time of day? Meditating. Ronnie, what you know about meditating? Meditating on what? Meditating on the most important subject of the day. The most important subject of the day? What that? Born. But what a good enough can't find that mistake and go married to do it? Randy, you mean to tell me that before you find some work to do for your idle hands, you're going on to the bed to meditate for fun? You see, Lou, born is a heavy thing, you know. You can't meditate and it's above bed. Next thing you know, you drop off a bed. Mr. Randy, and I'm out with no joke today. Now I'm going to ask you, Randy, a simple question. And please for a simple answer. Don't care how your question simple, my answer will be simpler. Thank you. Now, Mr. Randy, you see anything of my front cupboard key? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What time it was that you see my front cupboard key? Let us see now, about 10 o'clock, Easter last year.
Jesus. Yo! Kalani! Come on. Let me try something. Tap a bicycle. Yo, Kalani, me give you 5 minutes for give me a ride off a bicycle. I promise. Me give it when I come back from out, so. What be that? You want to take 5 minutes or not? Yeah. You give me? Yeah, come on. Wait. Give me a bicycle. Respect my general. Hey. You. Not even 5. I'm gonna give 5 of us.
Hey boy, give boy a bicycle.
But you can't chat so village lawyer. You chat too much, man. You must put yourself in a problem. That's what me tell you, see.
Hey boy, it's who you are rank with.
Why are you?
Listen to me. You see you? Me don't know if your papa get it right pitney, you know.
You can't chat, sir. You chat too much.
Hey, you know, for make him body up for your bicycle, you know. Eh? Come for your bicycle, yeah. You know, for make him body up for your bicycle, you hear? Sit down, buddy.
I'm not giving him back.
Don't make him body up it. I fear it. You hear? I miss about that bad breed pitney them. You go on. You see you?
Tashan. No. You know, say we did a village lawyer yard. I don't mean to do that. We can't do it, no. No. We're not free. Village lawyer. Village lawyer, no. Village lawyer, come. Village lawyer, no. You're my one man. No. Stop it.
Hey, me catch you no back over here. Hey, listen. Me say, me no want to know.
Me say me hate the money I know. You're cross. We're not afraid of you.
You're not afraid of me? No worry yourself. Me I gonna make sure say me get police involved.
We're not afraid of you.
Hey, honey. I was just calling you to let you know that I went to the machine this morning and the card wasn't working. And if you can go down to the bank and raise the limit.
What?
See if you can raise the limit. See if you can ask them if them can raise the limit for it.
I just said this time I'm drive here. That's it.
No, no, honey. What I was talking. Remember last night was talking about the little transaction. And you said the bank block you from sending so much money.
Me and you have conversation about one last night. Most of the other woman thing. Me and you.
Hold on there. Anna Louise this.
No, no, Louis this. William Louis. So they call him. So they are going with. I'm not calling them.
Oh,
I'm a conversation about that.
oh, sorry. Actually, your number ain't kind of close, man. Oh, oh, Stacey, sorry about that, man. Sorry. Are you me did call number that you never remember? May I try?
Excuse, don't pull an excuse in what I got there.
All right. Sorry. My credit I got done here.
Yeah. You call me call it back. Wait.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, remember me did tell you say me want little babysitter. Yeah, man. You available? All right. You know respond before me, right? All right, you go come and then you company scheme and you go see one little one out of shop gate. Just a park up. One bike in the yard. All right, yeah man. As I say, me have a little date later. Have a little date. No man, them pitney and they will behave, man. Them pitney and they not no problem, man. All right. Then. All right, me I look out for you. All right.
Already.
Alright, now.
Hmm?
Yeah, daddy say he have a date tonight.
No. You never hear that? Daddy say I want date tonight. And him all left way. Out of Mr. Punani yard. I'm not go to Punani yard.
That's me and no punani.
No, brother. Punani has some food, brother. Yeah. He block. He block like a what?
Oh, every time me always put in if you cook, in even know if you cook with butter. Every time I so rice and baked bean. No one go there.
Brother. Anyhow that daddy carry no girl in the house. Me all call mom from my phone and tell him say, Mommy, I know say that left with a Mr. Punani yard and grandpa date with a new girl. You know see that girl me tell mommy. That kind of color girl.
One new girl in the area, you know, for Miss Grace, this so
Yeah.
Miss Grace daughter, and I mean, I wonder if Miss Grace knows the daddy a talk up to him daughter. And a young girl that and a brother, a girl about 19, and daddy older than him.
But 19 adult brother.
Me know
You
the
understand?
daddy about 52 or so, and him a 19.
Yeah.
Remember, said daddy birthday gone for his third year.
Oh, him a the 49. Yo, he knew me see that girl brother, me send him back.
Anyway, he passed through. Right, that's how we are send him back. Go so, then if you go back also. That we are going to do. For your joke, I will run a son.
Yeah.
Run a son.
Bad bros.
Yeah, bad boy. Run. Let me tell you something.
True, you are exposed to yourself because you see nobody with him.
Let me tell you something. Make sure you keep it as a secret. Okay, I want good boy.
Brother, you know, since me have an eyeglass, me make it look like some nerd, but I'm bad and I'm quiet.
No, me I go buy one eye glass too. That me.
Can I say you expose yourself? By the time you put on the eyeglass, everybody are gonna know see you.
So what? Yo, I've been running so. What? Anybody who pass through and see me fire, so me send them back.
So you are roll around so.
Nobody. Nobody. You run us so.
Oh, we are done running so.
What do you mean?
I think we done again. We are done. Eh. I'm making you so you are prince. So you me tell you boy. So anybody who come in so
They have to
let's go
so.
for tennis, brother. We already have enough people for space. You see me, brother? Anybody who come in so lift up. Anybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Me have a woman named Mr. Butler. You know nobody when you so live around here, so?
Mr. Butler. Mr. Butler live around this, right? You see when you go there, so?
Yeah, man. You just go up in.
Up in.
Yeah, you always see one blue house and then you will tap and go over there and call it.
No, so. Come just get a call and saying there was so many want a babysitter.
A babysitter.
So you know when?
No. We know where we live, but we don't remember direction.
No, we not going.
So you tell me, say,
I still up in here, so.
Yes, up in
Papa.
up one blue house. With one big chocolate iron.
hey, me can buy there something, man. Every minute me have to go to the door, walk through the valley of the shadow of death. But alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hello?
Mr. Butler?
Yeah.
Sir, Right now, I'm not even know if it's all because I'm there in the middle of nowhere. I pass two little boys slung round a one corner. I ask them for and they send me way up on one part.
Eh, which part of it?
But they are Run River attraction. Way up on one hill.
No, man, the pass the turn off, man. Is the pass turn. Alright, stay away there. How they come?
Alright.
Yeah, stay.
Oh, I forgot. Cheese! Cheese! Dutch farms. Go north. Dutch farms, sorry. Cheese green. Cheese green. Cheese green. Cheese green. Yeah, what am I top? What am I top? Move! Top. Well, bombard. Yo, then what kind of style that? Am I in this, you know? I'm right. Then so what difference, nigga? If I not problem, because I chat too much. You what's up? You what's up? Take this. Do for your one. What? Do your one. Good. I'm taste this as if good. Bet? What's that for me? The big one. Yo, put them up. You must say a crave. The crave one also. Take the big one. Yeah, who was this brother when me have used this a crave? Yo, brother, want make a take my cook? Alright. Got cheese. Teams my wanna see. Manga berry this. Drink that. Ito manga berry. See you boy, you take my cup. I know say that I'm my favorite cup. My daddy buy for my birthday. Yeah, girl. Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Me up my mother. A Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. You want make you take my cup and my cup that. You can you give me big old your cup. Because you wanga God. You wanga. You go yani, you go you reach already. Me give you one boy I sit in your mafia already. Shut up. You remember I did when me give you sit in your mafia, you just near me off again. Already I want more. Sure, to wanga berry man. You wanga berry God. Legend, you could film one to in. You could this to in. black dog. Yes. Yes. Ay. Ay. I got to say for you.
Oh, boy, I reach far, man.
Reach far. Reach far. So right now I'm in a mood then. Not you feel like more bad stay with your pity them, you know.
Boy, come here down there, me and say, I wish boy you there, and then me I try call her, but my phone dead.
Which part me them pass two little boys down from the corner around there so. I'ma ask them for you. They tell me say they don't know nobody when name so. And they send me way up and they send me to something to make one turn out. I know I'm not the middle and nowhere.
Alright, sorry about that, man. Come on, me go get you something.
Sorry, babe, I drop me in.
Drop you, me not drop you, man. You can't hold.
Which part that me I go hold?
You can't sit down right here, so, man. You have to comfortable. It's a big bar. I can't sit down on it. Come around the side here.
God.
Boy, sorry about that. You hear? Hold on. You have to hold on. You hear? Here. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah, man. I just said it, I go, man. Right, that's so.
Round this me pass it through little bad people.
Which part?
Right there so.
Eh? I am, and they make you walk all the way grown, so. Let me see, man. Hey, Jay! Come here, come. Hey, Jay! Tasha! Hey, Jay! Tasha! Come on, get up, man. Oi! Why don't you take off the plate and walk by ground? Hello, me say me have a date. As me say me have a date later. Zane?
Wala ni. I feel like open.
Yeah.
Have you been there?
Yeah.
Tell us that two little boys send me around one part around one place and me and me glad know we are then two ya. Then two bad broke picking ya.
Really? Eh? And that turn up on the road I do?
No, that somebody else. That I get Alex. What again? I was trying.
You can't hide no. You see if you attend it, you can't hide. I did two of them. Then two ya.
Alright, go put on your plate. Go put on your plate in the kitchen. And wash them up too.
We don't talk about blue. No. Hey, you're saying that mommy come back here. Tell mommy pan you say woman in a house and a babe and a pay babysit. Both fi come babysit we.
Hey, sorry about that. You can't believe. But listen, you can't stay with them for me.
Let them till they come back.
Alright. Alright, so you can come make yourself a tour. Here. Hey boy, no, make sure you wash up everything in the kitchen.
If I want that, so me just open. Oh, and that you really idiot too, no. Let big man wash with it. I bet, yo, idiot. You be up here, clean up in our house. Sure. I never want him to run away from the man. You see, I true, I'm a father, and the last time, Which it one? You remember the day when he buy Pepsi fee the money girl in me if you say he buy 4 Pepsi. True.
Marlene! Marlene! Ma! Ma!
Yes. She wanna find.
Let's have an for later.
Yes.
Come on.
It depends on how you go with the kids.
Oh, me get one babysitter over there now. She over there. So she go and get herself comfortable. You see me?
Alright, that good. So which one we gonna go?
Anyway, what are this a community? Okay?
You can't then go see me. That makes it more.
And village lawyer is a man who know everybody business around the side.
It's true.
You know one thing you tell your mother nothing.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
I'm gonna give you a so.
Yes, so
It looks sad. Because you're kind of you fake like somebody trouble you. Why you come here and talk up to me and ask me if we are right and them the thing there.
now the company where I'm going to have a conversation with him. But only day if you say to the father come back.
Because we did run why you could joke with you, that's why you not talk up to me. You beg for you come here to step on your phone. A chick.
So is that your business?
Because I'm my house.
Your house.
Mama say I not come from
Promise
here.
you, you know, me know say you're trouble, you know.
Huh?
I'm not gonna argue with you, because
Okay.
I'm a big woman feel.
Come on, we say water.
But all that it's poor one.
That's what you think.
Oh, so me think me nah argue with you, you know.
Argue with me. Say how much?
Me a big woman, why you want to know me here?
Small axe fall big tree.
You know the meaning of that?
Yeah?
Why meaning of it?
When small axe cut down big trees.
What's the meaning of it?
Me no know.
Yeah, say it, I don't know the meaning though. Hello? Girl, what happened? You don't see me as if you do. Yeah, girl.
The people look at you.
But yeah, you look good too.
Thanks, me try.
Yeah, try.
Yeah.
Say eat
If
already.
Granny ever see me in a day,
Don't worry about her, man. She probably run up front there.
she run up front, but she go calm every minute when she not hear me. No, me not eat it or something. She dey ask me for the fear, so me come on her back.
Over me, I say me I think boy, you know. Someone come give a link, you know.
Well, I know this kind of risk if you come on her back, I come. Suppose somebody else eat one check.
Eh?
Suppose somebody else eat one check.
Well, them a time of day everybody there work, man. We know when everybody are coming, you know. Everybody there work, you know. I just want to spend a little time with you, you
You
know.
know the simulator?
Alright, so yeah, man, the babysitter over there now I go and get herself comfortable.
Till everything look about no babysitter.
Hey. Father, God. Hey, come here. I'm gonna sketch you. Come in. I think yeah, come in. Let me close the end there. Let me close the end there.
Mother, Paul.
You know what Leave it. Let me close the end there. You know that's very important on the theory. When me close the end there.
Come let me show you where it is.
Show you where the Let's see how to go get your black friend. Get on.
Come sit down here. Sit down here. Sit down here.
I don't want to tear up, see me.
So you good to eat already?
No, not yet. Better go do some.
Alright. Now go back over here then I'll go and clean up the place and something. Do a little work. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Hold on. Hello? Yeah. What you say then though? Someone I just left out of the house a while ago, me and then tear up your paper. And that's where so you please me I beg you. Just stay with them no man, no matter go away, man. Just stay. Please, me I beg you. Me even a little extra me give you. Alright.
What she say? What she say?
She said she can't stay, she have to go away because it too little people them go in and bag and tear up in paper when you go to court.
No, that can't.
Just let them run there, you know.
So what we are gonna do? Fast, remember, say,
Yo, like,
maybe we could have dinner at your place, you know, we could have watched them.
no, so me can't, me don't care about this, man.
Why you say we don't want to cook and eat and watch them?
You know, village lawyer live right. You have a shop right across the road and he watching my business, man. Next
Well,
time,
that's not true, That's not true. So what we are gonna do, cause I already make plans, I already pick up, I already condition my mind for this.
hold on, me want cousin wa police. Me have to probably call him and make him keep them up a station there for me, you know.
What? You think you would have done that?
Then why is me food? Me I tell him say them a get trouble. Because me tired of it. Me tired. I be a problem them a give. Not true me not talk about it, you know. Sometimes me shame when some people come up me and just say, cause I know some me grow. And me no grow them so, but me no know what thing.
Alright, so if we make up our mind for now, we're gonna come and say a teeth in a
Alright, yeah. Me nah make them broke up for me plan. Me nah make them broke up my plan. So yeah, we still on. But you say what time are you ready?
Let me say I already condition my mind, so anytime I get the chance to let them drop. Alright, you see as soon as you drop them off, you can call me.
Alright.
The time don't really matter because remember I'm gonna go to church.
Alright, 8 o'clock.
Alright.
8 o'clock. Yeah? Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I couldn't spend little that longer
Well,
time.
you know it work already.
You sleep over later?
Yeah. Oh, we can sleep over.
So you can't just spend a little night and go.
You now put me in a trouble. So you gonna make a Sunday sleep station?
Then why is me for the me make them sleep there.
Alright, we figure it out. We are gonna just work with the flow and see you night.
Alright.
Later.
Take care,
Yeah.
sexy, you know. I'm no weird enough for your ear.
Alright.
It's what kind of ice cream you have in there?
Banana split.
Oh, come on, Thai road. Come on, Thai road. Come on, Thai road. Come on, Thai road. I borrow a taxi and a film car.
Now fudge.
Ain't what you say have?
A banana split, me fudge.
I nah hear you.
Banana split, fudge, ice cream.
Eh?
Banana split.
Nah hear you. Lock off the music then. Ain't what you say?
Banana split, fudge, ice cream sandwich.
Banana split, fudge, ice pickle and something. You're not a rum and raisin.
No.
You're not, no man, bad man and them drumstick. You're rum and raisin?
No.
What you say? Banana split?
Yes.
How that one you go?
This is nice. 200 and 2.
Banana split tastes nice?
I want only fudge like Mr. Young lady.
Ah, yeah, give me one of them. Give me one of the fudge them, yeah?
Yeah.
Why is this long time I don't see you pass through around your door? No, but I come on Sunday again.
Huh?
You pitting them, look how long you pitting them and say they want ice cream and can't see you. No, you not the chocolate one.
Finish. I see it. Look at the one here. Hold on.
Yeah?
Every week we come them at time.
Oh, every night evening. Alright, don't come man because the presence of the ice cream man needed in the community, you know?
That one here.
You know the chocolate one. Alright, thank you. Me retake this. Alright, yeah. That me tell you, you say no put yourself in trouble. Eh? You see one no put yourself in trouble. Hey, nah, ramp do you know. Let me make sure I tell you that. See there. A police come at me yard now. Eh? See police say come at me yard now, feel me. What I mean, please, no like. Jail book. Uno come. Well, on this we teach, you know. Yeah? This we teach, you know. Say, right. Come. Please, daddy. Me tired with chat to you. Just deal with them, Mr. Officer. Get them going to correction and place go. Hey boy. Boy in that car. You think someone will put me in a lot of trouble? Eh?
Yeah, man, to be able to serve.
Yo, thank you, here, sir.
boss.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because me tired for everybody around us, so I come report to me. Them bust up people face all sort of man, tell them go along, man. Tell them go along.
All right.
Gotcha. Can't find a taxi. I look like him a go down the road. See them cockatiels, man.
Well, Mr. Grant, long time I don't see you, man.
It's a butler, man.
What you do?
Tired. Yeah, look at taxi I try to reach in a Negril town. Go 45 minutes. No, I turn up the road, can't find it. I say I couldn't so I'm come like nothing see your way. I look like rain I go come in.
Boy, I say go around. I saw money me growing there suffer from Mr. Brown there. Me build up in upstairs at the house. And me grow on there, the man I tell me say me can't get my money now. Me I make sure me tell him say no man, me we come around this and take off every block off of that the house there. If me not get for my money.
Try the justice system.
Justice system. This a justice system is no justice with people like we when I have no money. You hear?
Yeah, but you know why you put yourself in a problem, man. Try it. You don't know, it may just work for you. If you not try it, you don't have a case. You know?
Well, you look like so since you're standing again, man.
My brother did. Sorry for cut you, but you know, see that one there, my brother did give me a try, but I done gone already still. My name, They I wonder about it, but we not even I mean know people stay, you know, people boss me see you. You know from where you come check on a place for me. My uncle died, left a piece of land give me, you know. But you're not familiar with the place, man. Man, we're a sugar man store, man.
Yeah.
The plan, me have the plan and everything. So, me don't really want you give me an estimate.
Well, how much bedroom I want to start with?
4 bedroom, you know. Me actually send it to you. So, when I look upon it, you don't have your phone. Me send it to you now.
Me get it, man. Me left my phone around the yard there with the pit in them. So, maybe see it. Them boy, they did go and watch something on it. So, me left my phone with them.
The pit in them with the phone, as you say? Them are social media pit. The youth, them were born in the 2000s. Just social media, they depend. That's all in the pan. Also, my youth ball for my phone too, but I have to make him know so you can't work for my phone. So.
Hey, right now you have to be careful of them sitting over there have a pit in them and watching them.
Yeah, some man look like he not even work. Sorry for your interrupt. I just show me.
I just can't go down here, so here, like say your mind 2 days so from Sandra left you.
Where do you come with Sandra? If you like Sandra, you not take Sandra, bro.
Babe, why you home so early?
What you mean? What you mean? I mean, I come home, I can't come home again.
So you can't give me a hug?
So you want a hug now, like right now?
Yeah, alright. I can't read my mind or something, you know.
So why you just like this?
Babe, me have a surprise here, you know.
Really now?
Yeah.
What kind of surprise?
You see, from last night morning, but you are too busy and things. I'm sick. This, me just the one. Me say me don't like you read my mind, you know.
Really, you was thinking about my baby?
Yes.
Oh my goodness! So come give me a surprise no more. Oh, so all of this is for me?
Yes.
You don't have anything under that, don't?
It's all for you too.
Why? So come give me, you know.
Wait, look first, no. You're in a rush, you know.
Sun hot and I want to get out all of these clothes.
Alright, since I just so insistent.
Of course, baby. I don't understand it. You don't normally come out of the house that way, yeah?
Hurry up, man. The people sitting outside. Baby, gate, no, the gate, alright.
So, you say I pull you something. You say.
Yo.
Shiloh, where you dealing?
Yeah, look down with yourself.
Boy, I may tell you, say, boy, somebody if you call link me, but I know me can't see person. They'll come like, say, boy, if I just call it a day, you know?
They up on the ground are going easy. Making the place, you know, I want to look a nice place to live in, you know.
Yeah, man, run us all right and nice and quiet, man, you see me?
Boy, don't pan our side no quiet, man.
How comes?
Boy, the bite them and the pitney them. Boy, all Mr. Butler pitney them, yo.
Yeah, man, let me tell you, say, Bridging, how it times change and everything, man. Cause, you know, me and your elder to rotting and so forth. And then little boy and I have nothing in respect, man.
And me, as a whole time, bad boy would love.
Yeah, man,
Never used to move some of my days.
No, sir.
Terrorize the city and them something there.
Yes, man.
They used to go look food and go swim and carry a girl. Boy, I tell you now.
Oi, back then, you know how the community stay. What more place? We do any little thing, nothing never used to happen and all them saying.
Dancer that keep chain man and jelly man outside. Nowadays dancer keep not even chicken man out there, no.
A different generation them here, man. I don't know what them are eating or what they buy in Virgin. Butler now go and go either.
but him fit drape them up. A young boy, at the end of the day, might not
I
end up
must
with
have
none.
man drape them up for him.
Yeah, man. How you mean, man? Remember me tell you, you know.
Look like a little boy that put on all bleaching cream, you know. And the man brown already, you know. The next one soon start following the next black one, you know.
Why? One
go on, you know.
leave birds are for feather, flock one. But me can't tell you this, you know. Butler, you see film two picking them. Yo, anyhow, me catch any one of them around here, so no foolishness, you know. You see this? That me I use my name, you know. Old school, you know. I belt them, you know. This no feel, you know, man.
Yo,
I belt, yo.
No, man, do not. Yo, you say when you punish them, I best thing for them. Tell them on fire road.
Exactly.
I saw them behave like a goat.
Anyhow, me catch any of them, I go out them foolishness. I give them a belt and you will hear about it. If me belt, we talk. No worry yourself.
Listen up, we link up.
Come on, don't
Yeah.
worry yourself, man.
All right, my brother.
Big up, man. Respect.
Hold on, man.
All right, man, for go here, man. I'll go in.
Girl, why pray?
There. Everything good.
Round that's what me did there. Sit down, make it some breeze, cause me they are boring.
So you and such boy.
Do have a man. Just me, myself, and I there.
Just Alex left.
Frowning. Alex a dog. You know, so any man who have any of their name a dog.
Let's see. And yeah, me sit down and cool out still.
Yeah, that's some money me want. But me get a call still. If you do want a little babysitting work, but me do it other day, girl, and me I tell her say man have two bad breed pitney day. All one of them my favorite. You know the little black something with the Africa about tenge? Yeah. One of them favorite tenge. Yeah.
Girl, the rough pie, me girl.
Rough bad.
I'll put a wall.
Yeah, go on it.
Nothing. Me there. Me and my friend there I talk.
Come here and talk to you now.
Then
Good evening.
back.
Yes, as me did that tell you earlier, me have a little meeting. Then?
So you don't tell me say you want to stay the two bad breed paying them again.
No man. Listen man, me understand say the first time was a rough time, you know, but me I beg you. Me nah know other choice. Me nah nobody else. Me don't even want to left them with nobody cause me don't trust nobody with me.
So make me you want to lift them with again.
That's true, me not really another choice. Me put little extra on him, man, for you.
Make sure you don't call up on my house. Yeah, I can push dick through the side and make more from bed.
No man, watch you know. You have to be grateful of where you come from, you know.
I true
You
that
understand?
still.
Me know say even little money what me give you, it probably not enough still, but me know it probably can continue by a little bit more black. Honestly. But you have to be grateful of where you come from sometime. You understand? You can't follow your people, you know. And all they want to do is just go bar and drink and them listen. They can't really follow people. You understand? I mean, I throw no word for nobody or nothing like that.
Oh, come feel say my friend that talk.
No, so me never said such thing. Even though me not tell no your friend. But as me I say, when you come stay with her for me.
What time?
If you can't come right now, man, because I go in more and go in. No, just go get some clothes and come. Maybe I saw wait for you.
Alright.
Yeah.
But if you hear say me kill one of them, I hope you don't like me, okay? No way pity then stay.
Alright, listen to me now. No, don't kill it now, go on or nothing like that. Nothing like
Me
that.
no want nobody pity cause stress me, because me too young for your stress. And the only reason why me I did that job here to achieve, I want the money if you finish build up my house.
Alright, me understand your pressure, man, but go on. Go on, man. Me there I wait for you. Body.
Neighboring.
And what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley? So are you friend long time?
From school days.
From school years?
Yep.
I said shy. You don't really look on people. What make?
Come and really talk up to people.
What make?
Auntie, you know.
Your antisocial?
Yeah. She alone me have as friend.
She alone have us friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. Are you ready? Alright, but we catch up another time, here.
Alright.
Alright.
Boy, Billy Joe.
Oh, God.
Boy. Look like somebody will deal with a wicked man.
No, listen. I tell you, me have to give thanks to life, cause that is town that we blow up. Me have to go out that door, go tie up my little house on a stone. You don't move.
Boy, as you say, still standing, man.
So me good, me give thanks to God.
Yes, sir.
And you look at people then come around and give you a little free food, but you know, a little pound of rice and 1 pound of flour, they don't give you no half bag,
Mm-hmm.
We, the older people, them then look and we give you 1 pound like we are idiot. And when voting time come, you see them a come through if you go vote.
Listen to me, man. We don't even want to talk about them, Because them take for a puppy show. It's a puppy show government we have.
So what you do around here, so?
And they come from around the road there and me I tell her, say, boy, Sister Russell and daughter around them and him coming like a sword.
Oh, shit? You lucky you never take away your little money?
Listen, all the one or if the top bring this heap of man come in the community. Sometimes I don't know peace around them, man. Do the amount of man that come here. I'm fear for my life.
So you never know.
Hmm?
You never know. She love man like how board love nail.
Oh, Jesus Christ, them, for many days and them woman they never turn so. One woman used to produce 15 and 16 picnic. Now, a one man, 1 picnic, and all 20 father.
She not go top. So she turn. You see how Jamaica hot? No matter how the country I get hot, jacket still a sell enough.
What do you that, Mr. Butler have 2 boys around there. Just a terrorize the place, man. You have 2 bad breed picnic around there. They tell you, Mr. Billy Joe.
You see, every one of my picnic that when me get, me use the last dollar go do DNA. Because me don't want to go tell me say daddy not available and then get old.
Me glad them fixed that at the hospital. Now when they pick them born, them we know who are them father from early. Me not know peace on my shop.
Right now, only 2 youth me know used to bad, and they still bad. Them bad like a yards. Them name bad. When they put bad in a bad, them name bad. Me we get them carry them come here, Then we put them 2 little kids in a barrel and roll them off a hill, Them take serious thing make joke, You know, so the other day, me I go around so, go check Sister Patsy,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going in the room, I mean, in the bed. A big boy and Chucky in the bed account. Every joke, me joke. Me a 1, 2, 3. They want to
Where them the 2 little boy they come from, man?
me say them bad.
And they put up a money. The baddest one win.
100,000.
100,000 they put on the board. Alright?
I want to pocket one.
So a deal.
Deal.
This is
Alright.
a big boy gambling,
All right. Me I go back for me work.
Alright.
Yeah.
And they come good on your son.
All right. I only want them to beat you.
Alright, I have to reach here. Come on, I know that little boy there. Alright, I know that little boy there.
Yes.
Which part of your brother there?
Put the Sean, you don't know.
Me not tell you say me no want you sleep in the city, ball, toys.
You don't want to city.
Hey, listen to me. You see the babysitter come here?
Mm-hmm.
She come here to stay with you again.
And I don't want what happened the last time happen again.
What happened last time? I never did do that.
Remember say I up a station I come for you this morning, you know. You want to go back up there again?
No.
Eh?
No.
Just be by your best behavior. Right, sir? Me don't want nobody. Me don't want to hear no more report about you again, you know. Because I'm back to school now and me have to go up. Me don't know where me will get the money from to buy, you know, on the shoes. I know I can't tell about a Clarks and one. Eh? With them the trouble they want to argue. Hey man, get up and go wash your foot them, man. That's all I want is nyam, eat and poop in this place, yeah.
If they give me no trouble, you have to go pay me double. I'm serious.
Hey, sorry about that here. As I say, we have a very important meeting and
Sir, please, don't stay too long. Cause you know how you penny they stay.
no man,
The
no.
first time I come here, they tear up my paper for me to carry a court and they can't bother with it. So please just hurry up and come back. Cause I not go stress over here picking them. Cause I not have none yet. Cause you know how they stay already. 2 bad breed pick me have.
Alright, I'm about with that man, but alright, I so come here. I so come, I go up on the road.
Alright.
Hey, you come here so they eat and not even would have for me no food. Beg you some food.
You want some?
Give me some of your food, man. I'm hungry, man, from morning.
Girl, from morning, how comes?
Right now, I'm broke, girl.
So comes you hungry. And last night we got road and how much business you do?
Yeah, bills to pay now.
How much business you do last night? I can't buy one food here.
The man them will come last night at half a money. When I charge them one money, a half price they have.
Wow, rough bad. Rough bad. Yeah. How comes from morning?
You know how much business me have to do?
No, man.
Me have bill, light bill, me internet bill, all kind of bill right now.
So, all them business money they done?
A 3 business me do last night. And a half price. As me say, me have my rent for pay.
One cocoa full basket
Exactly.
and a hard time. Last night I made a road here. And you make money.
You just watch my money, so if you give me some of my food, I give me some of my food.
No, but when time you go road and make money, you feel concerned that the food buy first. The bills have to wait. Cause food have to eat.
And when they put me out something else what happen.
Fuck tenant, fuck landlord. You have to make them know, say, them for come with them full price. Cause the good things them a get.
Good things, but them a ball. Them a ball so they don't have no money.
Alright, I'm gonna teach you something. You see when the man them come with them sharp money, you hold on them phone, take off all them shoes, worse if a brand, Clarks, so you can't sell. Then chain, gold chain. No money, no goods, they lock shop on them. Any little thing we can't sell back for make up back with your money. You know? Take away all them phone, go in them pocket.
Wagwan.
Me there.
You good?
Yeah, you?
Not even in a move give no trouble today.
You better make sure because I come plan for you 2 hours. By the way, where brother? Where that one day?
You can't ask me. Me need plan to go sleep and the boy run away.
So if I know say that brother missing?
You see? Until nobody there. When they run away. They asleep.
So why you run away?
Me don't know. To post him the popular game.
Oh. So that's all you want to talk to me about?
Like how me here alone there. You can see who taller. Like you in there.
No. Tell me tell me taller than you. I'm a big woman for you. You're a little pitchy.
So you can be my girlfriend?
No. Me a big woman for you about girlfriend. You're a little pitchy. Go sit down. You name me a girlfriend, boy, you want a girlfriend?
I promise you, not tell nobody.
No.
Jesus.
Me a big woman for your prisoner fit for me. Come. Push, look at Stabilize. Ah, listen to me good. Me a big woman for you. Go look your size, but girlfriend. What you mean a girlfriend? What you mean a girlfriend?
Somebody who love a little person who love a girl.
Oh, and your father teacher? Your father not teacher not good. You're a little pitney. Supposed to take your book and you're supposed to have a girlfriend in your mind.
He's 16.
Boy, you're 16.
You got your heart on your
That's my
sleeve,
thumb,
but
don't boy,
your
you're
on
16.
your back a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your color's changing. The world ain't half bad after
Can't mix up all you want.
Na na na.
That's my kind
I 5 business me do last night. 5. And a 10 grand a piece. Girl, me make money last night. Girl, me make money last night. I'll risk cafe me go last night. And book a nice big foreigner man, girl.
Yeah, girl.
Nice foreigner man, girl. Me well want you meet him. Him man nice.
Good evening, Miss Tia.
Good evening. What you want?
Listen to me. I've been wanting to see you from the other day, you know. You see what's going on with around here? I don't like it. As the Homeowners Association Committee chairman, I don't like it.
What you not like?
Listen to me, you have too much man that come round here so that at daytime and at night time, man. I fear for my life.
I grudge you, Tia.
Grudge?
Grudge you. Because true want to buy and can't get a buy. A cheap Charlie, you know. A cheap Charlie.
Listen to me, you know what after me go so ask her, she tell me a price, you know. I'm say, all right, you know, give me a fellatio with it. She said, no. I said, me can't do business, so.
So how come the same amount of man a come and you still a come to her with 4 grand? Eh?
Answer that.
Answer.
The man them a hurt you? Eh?
Listen to me, man. The heap of noise and the drinking and the jing bang lead them when you continue to come here. Me don't like it. And I'm gonna ensure I report you to the police. You know.
I went there one time all police are come by. Soldier, liar.
It's illegal.
It's not illegal because police are by, soldier by, liar by, and judge are come by.
You know what? All I'm saying, just please, just take the business out of the community. Take the business out, man.
Me selling my property. Is it a problem to you in the community? Yeah, are you alone and complaining? Eh? Are you alone and complaining?
Because showing can't get a buy.
Go on, you cheap like one.
Cheap Charlie, look there.
Village liar.
Just look on him.
And last time when police come to me, come buy my front.
Yeah.
How wrong with you?
All police are by.
Village liar, you watch people
I pump feelings, yeah, carry. Cheap Charlie. Go on here, cheap Charlie. Ain't cheapy? About $4,000. I love people business and feel wanna spoil. We can't bother with all them big church out man here, you know. Me no look on them road in a tear.
Next
me no look on them big church out man here road, you know. You mad?
Next
with a little bit of money, you out harder them big church out man. They no look on them when you see them data.
Mr. Butler, hold on, Mr. Butler. Come on.
What I'm telling you?
What do you mean by warm to me? Big man, I'm tired to talk to you about your youth, them, man. Big man, you two you then come like them is a menace to me at even time, big man. Eh? You can't control them.
You sure say I feel me pick them out of that?
What do you mean by me sure say I feel you picking them? Then who is at them when time I come out here, me see them I can't go down the road. But like you picking them come and lick up my window blade them, boss man. Them lick up about 6 of the window blade them.
I mean me pick them and lick out the window blade.
Brother, them The man them come at evening time. I don't know why them choose of all the places to come play ball right in front of me yard. And then kick the ball so hard. When we come out, they run off. And I say, yo, so what them I run for? Only to find the whole of my blouse and skirt placed in a glass.
You see for me pit them do that?
What you mean by me see them, butler?
Man, I fix the window.
Hold on.
Look how much months now the window did there, so I give problem and you can't fix it. Eh? Which one I window them I say? You say?
The one runner, the back end runner side, the man a kick ball and I lick up my window, sir.
You mean the same gyro no window runner the back the way you lift up and push and open the door through and out the door?
So butler, how you know that? How you know about that window there? Where you do for me, butler?
I don't me. Because your woman have your road a chat someone.
Butler, don't make me catch it.
Boss man, me say me now come here yard. You ever see me come here yard?
I wasn't scared. Eh? But how you know about this window here?
Listen, you're not police. So me I do your yard. Eh? You're not police, man. Me have respect for you, man. You serve and protect your place, man. Me never do them this, man.
Butler, me mad at ex ya. Me say anyhow, me catch you come over for me yard. Hey, you know what? Best you go on where you go. Best you go on where you go, you know.
You know, I you do grudge me for me pit them because you can't breathe now, man. Eh?
I can't tell you that.
Karen never tell me that. Yeah, man, so just let me pit them out there, man. Just left them out, just left me pit them. I make sure some want them, you know. Make sure some teach me to pit them Karachi, you know. Any day you don't feel like say you want to do them, you know, man. A problem on this, you know.
Make sure Mark this I say, hey butler, you see you and the one village liar. Make me catch one on over me yard. Right. Make me catch one on over me yard. I want to see what God on the serve you. Here. One Karen! Karen, come here. Come on, Karen.
We are coming here,
Come on, no man. Come on, Karen. Come on, Karen. Karen. Oh, butler know about the window runner back here, so.
What do you mean how butler know about the window?
Oh, butler know say the window runner, the side runner, so all you need to do is lift it up, push your hand through, and turn it up. How him know that?
Stop behave. So they must have pin them come over the other day. I'm not telling you that already.
So where the pin them do over me yard if we can know that, my friend, for go back to tell butler. Karen. Oh, me met butler coming on my yard, Karen. Eh? What kind of style that? Yo, you know hard man work at night time. At night shift me depending on.
So I think you come for beat me.
Really? No, man, I no need for beat you with that, man. At 7 years, no me and I forcing the car and that. Me I make you know say, yo, me know for beat. You
come accuse me and even come and ask me what goes to. What wrong with you?
Accuse? Eh?
You're overthinking and it's not good for you. You need to check yourself because nothing.
Overthinking?
You know what your things. Me and him don't have anything.
I say, I have to leave this place. I can't deal with this. Come on, work hard, I protect and serve out there in the force, you know. And then for go come home and woman and me yard a cheat. Worse along with butler. Yo, you man, so leave the place, man.
Me nah left, you know.
What you mean by you nah leave? Karen, you have to come out of my house.
Okay.
Butler, you sleep with over this. Hey, look in the car.
Me sleep with, but yeah, stop it. Me nah do this with you today.
Yo, Karen, left the place.
Me nah left you because you're accused me.
Me by nah left the place, Karen. Yo, come out of my place, Karen. No. Eh? You think I me your money by this? Look here, the man left the place, man. Left my place, man. Me by leave you. Leave out of my place, man. Come out of my place, man. Eh? You think I saw this thing I go? Eh? Man cannot work so hard and I force and you think I saw this thing I go?
You're gonna regret it.
Go regret what? You left man place, man. How you feel like? Man come and sleep in a man place.
You feel like you're a police, me brother. You give me stuff, then watch. Me gonna report you. It's alright.
Well, I'm gonna do your reporting, man.
Oh wait, GPS.
Go on.
Can you imagine?
What happened now?
I just coming from around the lane there, you know.
Yeah.
I see the one Tia. And our little idiot friend.
What do Tia now?
Me dey talk to her about our behavior in the community. Me I tell her say, me no like what she dey go along with around here.
But that's true. She top sell her body in the community.
Exactly. You can sell a body, you know, but not do it in the community. It's a little community, this, you know. You can't sell a body so in the little community. Next thing, you have all different men from all about that come in and so. I mean, I like that.
Well, you can't tap her from do what she had to steal, but it's wrong. She if you stop selling her body, what do you see her over Master Joe yard? They sell her $1,000.
Listen to me, man. Me no business what she want, but me just not bring it in the community. Every day is a different man, so me fear for my life.
If you fear for your life, you can't take a business.
We not in our own business, but we as the senior citizens in here, so we have more respect. We should, and nobody don't respect we. Is what? We don't respect we. We already have Mr. Butler and him pitting them to terrorize the place.
Yeah, I understand.
We have big boy and Chucky around this to terrorize the place.
No, me not sell my bread.
Enough for days in there, know how we used to do it.
How we used to do it?
We used to have to write it on a piece of paper and we have to meet with the other corner there. We meet up at that tree there, we have to meet up at that tree there. Now, it's like...
No, that with Uno no, we know. Uno hide and do phone with things. We know nowadays, we come brawling with it, up front.
And that with this generation and the two brawling. That's why the place stands up. But you know what? I just can't go about my business now.
Yeah, can't go about my business.
Because they get too ranked. Because the man, you know, make the man a thump in your eye.
My man not thump me in my eye.
Say they pick up film.
Me hear them big overall, so me born with them. In a half years.
One of them there, you know, man, he might go give a piece of horse.
No, you listen to people business too much too. Something you hear when you hear. Hear our. Hear and deaf and see and blind.
They say they take beating.
See to me, and my man, make him thump me in my eye. Get to if he thump you in the face, you tap see people business.
Woman stop take beating from a long time.
No, because me still a take it.
Alright. Stay there for you say arse is love.
I love. It's love, it's love.
Alright, look at more.
Yeah, go my business.
But me I tell a man the one tier man is to get to me man is be a man should carry around this place here.
How deal with Shiloh?
What want?
How deal with?
Yeah, you know. On the ground, you know.
Cool, man.
Where you are going with?
I don't know, you know. Anything, you know.
Yeah, he's myself, man.
See? But yo, it's a butler. Come pick them. They say the pit them are some real.
You know, say them a fitness still, I mean, I like you, but...
No, man. Them pit too bad, man.
Like,
what I feel like we just want to tie them up and just beat them on them foot bottom, so.
Dan, you see party where them keep up, so? And them watch
Jesus Christ,
bro. Yes, when them cut the cake, the pin them just go, so. And grab off everything off my table.
No, man, some real rebel, them man like only could minister in the community. Yo.
Tough, man. And the man not even say, yo, for a big mess, man. Well, not even say, talk the thing in the hand, you know?
Yo, me don't know,
shuffle up the thing, man, if you're a mess, man.
And the man a big, respectable man. Yo, that. But yo, me hear something about him too, you know. You don't make him fool, you know.
You must pay the rod and spoil the child.
Yo, I want girl thief too, you know.
No, me know that long time.
You know about that?
So what do you think them calling Mr. Buckler?
Right, me not even think about that. Yo, me believe, man.
You want to joke to you, daddy?
My God.
Yo. In the yard, man. If you go to work, and you get over there, what if you go like him a little bit?
Pichu, though.
Where you say? And I want to yard him going on. I said, go to work.
I want connects, man.
Man, hold
man.
Together, man.
Man, to control the people, them, bro.
Yeah, so how me look?
You look alright. Why you worry so much about how you look?
I don't know, you know, man. You carry me off right now, so I have to make sure I look good.
You look alright.
Alright, so...
The babysitter call you?
You know, so I don't get no call from her.
That mean them a behave, you know?
Hopefully, because...
Yeah.
You know, I have that to think about. After such a lovely weekend with you. You understand?
Yeah.
So, hope so them good, because... I have all them back to school thing for you get now for the money. So, I even promise you one piece of money, I want to make sure so you get it too. Because I know I have me up, you know.
No, I'm not going to have you come understand.
Because, yeah, I know say woman forget money, you know, Mr. Butler always paying debt.
Right.
You understand? So, yeah, but one still.
Watch out, see them come here too.
Yeah, Tid. Bolan. Because I'm all in that. So I tell you about that, brother, yeah?
If you tell her. Yo, Butler.
Marlin.
Yes, the man I call it. Yeah, look, man.
Oh, yeah,
See, the
yes,
man I
sir.
call it Mr. Butler. Butler. Yeah,
Marlin.
Let me tell you something. In our community, you want decent man. Look on you. You're not if you have your belt. I want to you. Yo, you know what you have to do? Take your pin in them off the road and take care of your pin in them here. They might run up and down all over in our people in them yard. I want to you're not, you can't grow up in them by the way. Look at your face. You're not trim up your hair and fix up yourself, man. I want to you talk about your name, Mr. Butler. Butler.
You know, let me can't go about my business, though. Because it's a man like you will have big motor road and I know use a yard. I want to come rank with
man. You see a dirty penny them where I walk up and down on the road, take care of them you. Tell them off the road and nice up a penny them, man. The two penny them just come like a menace to society. I not see how you them take off. Man, fire, so you look at me like you lie me at tell. By the way, when you stop down there, so stop at the barber. If you're on a rasta, trim off that, man. I'm here.
Hello, you must have me put food on your table.
You ever put no food on my table? Man, look at you. You think me and for you? Go on with it, go on, yo. Man, and you're a shirt now.
Marlin.
Not even your shirt.
Careful enough.
Hey, Marlin, where you do?
Heart it. You know, I'm a cousin.
Your cousin, I say whole family I want to man.
What call Telegram?
You eat all tin mackerel without pepper. Pan you.
Granny.
Yeah, my friend.
I forgot to give you the piece of labish. Guess who me see? No Marlin. Don't a Whitehall.
No, brother, you can't do that, man. You can't watch your family, man. Yo, better me go on when I go to you know.
Shiloh. So
you watch your family. You watch it.
I'm my family. I'm going where I go, man. Yeah, grandma. Marlin. With Mr. Butler. Don't a Whitehall. You better believe it.
Yes, brown man.
Yeah.
Mr. Butler. And then two pitney them. Just a terrorize the place, you know?
Me know. A bad breed.
Man, we need to do something about this as the elders in this community because if we not stand up our foot, them
Yeah.
If we not stand up our foot, them in this community, we can't live, bro.
That's a serious thing, man.
Same thing me tell you?
Yes, man. Me know.
I saw them little pit them all come up. It's good now.
The same thing.
I come terrorize me.
Because them I set no example. Crime I go take over the whole place and we can do the way we have. True.
I terrorize. Me there my shop, me can't take my turn on my shop too long. Can you imagine me there my shop so white time and they're pitting them? Jesus Christ, Mr. Brown man, when they tell them man, they pitting them man.
Yeah, stop terrorize people. That's the same problem me have with them too.
Can you imagine?
Me know. Me know how we go, man. Me know.
But everything good though?
Everything good, man.
Alright,
me like your style, you know. Me like how you act and everything. Me love. The only problem when me say as before.
No,
as another girl, you say the black girl.
Never up at the club there.
Yes, let me tell you, you see the girl where you use the goat.
I get a better one for you this time. Listen. This is a big boys club, you know, big man club, and everybody know about them a club. You understand? Come know for you special, you know.
Why?
This is a big boys club, so I'm gonna tell everybody, and everybody should know about this a party here. You understand? Because you know what Mr. Butler did there, you know.
That's a serious thing, man.
Because you know how him and the woman them run this. You don't want him for a party. You understand? Look at what they're going.
Yes.
Yeah,
all right, take care.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Hey, now run the collate, man. Hold on, take that. Yeah, man. Shit, let me have that up. No, man, I'm not coming so early, man. Me so, you know. All right? Yo, Richie. You want me? Miss you. Yeah, bless you. Here? All right, Mr. Fan, man. All right, cool. It's me a little rotted, man. Something's right, you know. Honey? Honey, I'm home.
Just stay in there, my word. Come on, look over.
Yeah, butler. Butler. Yeah, man, if I'm when me, here you come on me yard, virgin.
Watch it.
Watch out.
No, man. As she call me if I go help her fix.
Your shoes, butler. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I said no.
Butler, yo. Yeah, my boy. What kind of thing that?
Yeah, man.
Where you do?
Yeah, man, I said no.
Yeah, you do over me yard, boy. Where you do over your boy?
Yo, yeah, what I know.
What me what I know? What? But when I wear that, boy, where you do over me yard?
Yo.
Butler, where you do over me yard?
I 66, man, I make a...
She sick, what? Yawa. Side man, Joe grind, come at me.
No, man, nothing like that, man.
I don't know. What?
I think you're there at work.
You think me there what?
I think you're there at work. You text me saying no leave work yet.
Me live here, this is for me yard.
I saw me can't help me with.
Come help you with the door thing close.
I saw me can't help me with.
You take before. Come here, woman. And my house is enough.
I saw me can't help me with.
This is my house. I may pay for this. Come here. What kind of foolishness are going on?
I overreact, me. I tell you say something can't help me with. Something can't help me with in the house, over the fridge.
You come like him helping him himself. Butler?
Yes, me.
You know what reputation Butler have?
Me understand what you say, B, but that's something can't help me with.
No, that place naked.
B, him have to take off his clothes to climb up.
So why have to take off his clothes?
Because he did that sweat, you know, or when he was working, sweat.
You're damn right, you know when he was working, I said, you know, say, look here, you know reputation of Butler? And you can't tell me about Butler up there, help you with something? Run out of my place naked like an idiot?
No, B, but me I tell you, say something he did a fix on top of
it. Like him fix that damn business good. Can't be going to say, idiot, and think, now you're nice and around this. So, me, before me come growing up, I'm a peep. I'm here in the house, me hear the nice. You think me stupid?
Yeah, overreact, B.
Overreact for what? You hear me? I'm going to go down a bag, go a drink. If I come back, I might not have one, I might not have two. But I'm going to have a drink and wait till I come back, here. You stay there, I'm going to have a drink. I soon come. Out of order. I come my butler.
But tell Butler say I want 20,000 around.
Oh, what's up? Good evening.
Wagwan.
Beg a piece of your pizza, no?
Yeah, that's for one thing.
Ooh, what a lovely pizza. Eh? What a lovely slice.
Say I go with.
They come from down at the post office there. You see?
Mm-hmm.
They go collect the light bill. And I tell you, say it's a very, very, very high light bill them send come give.
You understand me? 15,000 for me come up to.
You're there. What a hefty light bill.
15, I mean I have nothing panic but the fridge, the TV, and the washing machine.
Well, you know sir. You know, use a lot of things over here, a lot of current they burn.
Yeah.
You know, sir?
That's a true still.
Listen to me. Mr. Butler.
Oh, I'm the butler.
Tell me about that. Mister.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to walk through my yard again. So when I come over here, if you walk around, make people see. And stop the screechy through my yard, they come over here.
And that's a beg me pizza for tell me people business. Eh?
Listen to me, I don't tell nobody business. It's your business. Me they tell you, say, I don't want Mr. Butler to walk through my yard. That me they tell you, say, don't make Mr. Butler to walk through my yard.
That's all I do. Sit down and watch people business.
Listen to me. Everything watching in the dark must come to light one day, you know.
If I don't want to, take back my pizza.
Look, me don't tell you again. Somebody are going to find out what you want him work.
All I do watch people business.
All me say just make him stop walk through my yard. The man in bad breed picking them. A terrorizing place.
Go from here, man.
That's all them do, you know. Come on. Come and talk to you. Tell me if this right, Zine. Mr. Butler, and the one day, they do things when time your husband gone on the road.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell her, I have to go over, to make a man walk through my yard.
Yeah.
And then them, they sit there, and walk around, right?
Oh, okay.
That right?
No.
You can't live with man and a man come in the yard?
No.
Okay.
You have to have respect.
Have respect, right?
Yeah.
Look for me. You have to have respect.
Yeah.
She don't have none. Come on. She don't have no respect. You have to see. Yeah, you
Yeah.
No respect in her, right?
Okay.
And then they walk and go on like them are somebody.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to pass us? Hold on. Go on over. Alright. Listen to me and listen to me now. But with the hospital, so I can't swim. So I'm not going to water, but I allow you to go in the water. I don't go far because if you're drowned, I can't go save you because I can't swim. So you can go in the water, but don't go far. Alright, go on.
Hi.
Hi.
Name?
Kiana.
Okay, I'm chill.
Alright. Nice to meet you.
The same to you.
From around here?
Yep.
Oh no. Just come over with one little boy who me and stay with. Anyway, so I hope to.
And we there on but I easy.
Oh. Jesus Christ, it's what me I tell about. Look which party finna go know he pick me a John. Jesus Christ, him a John. What me I go do now? You can't go save because me can't swim. Come and talk to you, Penny. Jesus Christ. Christ,
You talk no command.
What you do? Whitney.
Watch out. Style the boy I use. I'm more like him at
home. John Fury. I never let John, nothing never do him. Watch me eye.
I said, why good? And they said, I say,
you don't know?
Yeah, Brittany, we get not even cornbread in.
Hello. I look for one Rasta man named Shiloh. You see him?
You know what I'm saying? Say over there, so do.
Over there, so?
Yeah.
Me not talk the fat Rasta man, I talk this.
No, man. Yeah, I feel like say over there, so indeed.
Over there, so?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, over there, so in there, man. Right, somebody, man.
All right. I want to meet the picnic.
Yeah.
It's your mother?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw no grow tall.
Yeah, man.
All right. Hey, Shiloh. You know, so me know, so me ain't really plant peas and lines still. So, but that's something I want to check about. Come on, chat it. You know, say, yeah, original woodlum around here, say, man. You understand? But me have a little mission and I don't know if I can take care of the mission.
Me, I try me around the place, make you come to me now. You, a foul person. Remember say you make me go to jail already, you know. You're big, man.
Shiloh, we can't make bygones be bygones, you know, man.
So true. I'm here, I run things now, you come to me, you. Come to me straight, where I deal with?
All right, it's just, I hear say, how you did thief with people, them sitting here. You understand? True, I did make good chistering, I did have to tell her, say, you. You understand? But just make that be bygones, man. I just want to little 2 years to get the thief with goat dancing.
You say chat too much, though. Where I come? Where I deal with today?
All right. Mr. Butler have 2 boys around there. You understand? But him, Mr. Butler, and him pitting them just terrorize the place.
You know boy like that already, man. It's like that you come with.
No, man, more if you teach him a lesson, man. More if you teach him a lesson. Because, you see me? More if, I don't know how much you charge me, you know. But more if you teach him a lesson. Make him learn. But no make him know, say, me. So just even pop one eye on or one eye the pitting them foot or something. You understand?
For what?
You understand what them do? They terrorize the place.
No.
They can't have no peace over my shop.
Watch it, them look money the way I come with a joke. But good man. Yo, come with something different.
What you say, you're not take up a mission?
You say come with something different. So look at $500 then you come up with in your pocket. You think something broke down.
Alright, you hear what?
Yeah, man. Look up.
Well, I go and Stacy.
Oh, no, man. Give me a pack of Whistler there.
To Whistler, man?
Brown Whistler.
I have a Whistler. Well, you can good door. I can't come around my shop, you know. As I said. Well, say you not take a permission.
No, I'm good man.
Hey, Shiloh, just they need more if you teach them pitney their lesson, man. Them becomes a menace in the place.
Me do what I do, but me don't want your money still.
Yeah, all right.
Me do something, man, but me don't want your money, man. But I want to see something positive for me to do something. Me don't want to just go do something.
All right, but I'm not doing that alone, too, you know, Shiloh. You know, say, the one Mr. Butler need him to get out of hand. And I know you don't know about them, you say, you know.
Where you come with that?
You know you have a hard working when you work at night time and you all did everything.
Where your brain are coming with again? Where you work with again?
Alright. Me notice that Mr. Butler are over yard on a regular basis when you know the day.
Over my yard?
Yeah, and you know me as a man not tell no lie. Me know everybody business run the same. And you know me not tell you no lie. Me say him or your woman,
him and what?
Him or your woman run the ramp up when you know the day.
Make sure say no lie I tell you now.
Me not tell you no lie, me boss.
My woman is over there.
Mr. Butler.
There's so much things with you here.
Me understand the pressure, man. Me understand the pressure. Me understand how you feel.
No.
I understand that. Remember, I said the money.
No.
I said the money when you thief, you know, man. It's not really fair. You understand? I robbery. But remember, I said Mr. Butler cause this, you know.
Now kill them.
Don't kill the little pity them, but remember, I said just teach Mr. Butler this, son. The man in bad breed pity them. Jesus Christ, man, I'm ball over a woman. Hey, son that! Hey, give me a... Son that! Give me a drink around there. Boy, son it. See the man a ball over a woman, man.
Ants. Which one? This one. Right. To watch it from. Okay. Gosh. Wait. Take off this yaman. Of that. My piece. Wait there. Me tell you something. You make over a plan. You hear? Me will do this by myself. I'm serious. Right. You have to go stay right behind the drum, you know. Because if me come carry you with me, I'm not going to know say I'm me and you. And the motel. Wait there. See if he won't know, I'm going to put him in a problem. So you have to go stay behind the drum. And me deal with him up there, so. Where they are talk about twin? When you're there walk for up there, so you see, Kayanya, you're there borrowing a bicycle and... Yo, me hear that already. Me do it already. Barry, me go behind the drum right there, so go on. Yeah. We deal with this case. You're forcing you? Where man do I Please, stand still. Hands in the air. Y'all look at me in the ear. Look down. Where are you?
Village.
Shut up your mouth and chat much. Anytime you hear you go walk up a kill current parade and chat about me. And Mr. Butler pity them and slap me and slap a feather. Every time Mr.
Yes, sir.
Shut up your mouth! Sure. Hey, do you got me attack about Mr. Butler pity them and kill you?
Please don't kill me.
Shut up your mouth and chat your mouth. You farmer. Yo. Hey, do you walk up a kill current? Now cut off any cup and take that thing. You understand, man? All I'm saying, I can't move, I will pit and dry. You can move. So a dear turn room, you click off a face. You understand me, sir? That be nice, man. That be nice. That be nice. Stay still. Keep on that ear, enough. You go miss a bit that people on me. Cut me a cut off it. You hear me tell you, man?
Yes, sir.
Take care. I think you're funny. Informer. Any day you go to parade and shop up a cake and me a kill you. Any day. Me not afraid of you. And second time this, you report to people.
Don't kill me, don't kill me.
Shut up, mouth! Sure.
Yo, I want you.
You want to me? One butler me I look for.
So a butler around here, you know, make you walk and look for him, especially with knife.
Yo, if me hold him, if me buck him, yo, this a buck in a mute. Yo, me I use this and carve him up, daddy. You don't know, say man I sleep with my wife, brother. And the whole community know that. I can't even know, and nobody no come to me and tell me, brother, until me find out by myself. Yo, Mike, me just want to see him, brother. I can't even know you.
Boy, Shiloh, I encourage you, bro. Don't put yourself in no trouble, you know, worthy dog.
I don't put myself in no trouble. Nobody now catch me when I do this. Matter of fact, I don't want to hear that fire. Because I not calm down, brother. I just want to hold him before somebody calm me down, daddy. Because I not calm down, daddy. Right now, I'm mad right now. I tell you that. Remember me tell you that. Thing good, man.
Yeah. So I'm here now.
What? You don't see one butler?
No, I not see butler. So your face look like so they cry dog.
I mean it's not a ball.
We are cry for.
Come on, catch him.
No. Watch your man. Oh, which one? The butler you attack?
What I mean?
Just start.
I can't even know you. I can't even know you. Me say man a ramp with woman in the bed.
I do what?
Me say man a sleep with woman in the bed. I see, yo, not even you want to tell nobody, you know, till him get to him forget in the bed.
But you can't do that, brother. But the man a deal with me a wait on. I never walk up and look for him with the knife, my general. Yo, the man have two boys every evening where them come in and play ball and kick out my window, you know. At 3 weeks now, I have to put in new window blade in my general. Every time I say to the man I laugh, and I tell me say a joke thing, and I don't feel him pick me do it, you know. I met, yo, I say I want to see him forgive, yo, but...
When I talk about window blade, brother, I'm a woman, the man a ramping, you know. You don't want to hear nothing about no window blade, yo, brother. I'm a white, look at woman look good. You don't want to hear nothing about no window blade, brother. I'm a flesh that in my ramping, you know. You just look for him on that side there, I'm a look for him on that side there. Just go and go look for him. Look for him on the side there. I mean, look for him on the side there. Yeah,
man.
And you find him, you call me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Because me find him, I find him, man. Yeah, man. Say a word, man.
So you can replace the woman too. Hey, can you imagine? You must pay for your light bill. Me say that the man now get another vote. Time come now, we have to make a change.
Why, buckler?
Hey, Shiloh, it's where you are, Shiloh.
You know you say a trouble, man. And say I sleep with woman. Eh?
Yo, nobody with the foolishness, you know.
I mean, say I trouble my woman.
I will tell them foolishness.
I mean, you're not trouble my woman.
I will tell them foolishness.
I mean, say I sleep with my woman, brother. A kid I done you know, you know. I never know. Done me, I go done you know you.
No.
I feel right. So I catch you in angle now.
Yo, I say type of foolishness, you know.
Stop with foolishness. Stop with foolishness. How are you? I cut out your dead.
Hey, boy, Charlotte, type of foolishness, man. Hey, Charlotte, how much money, how much food and put on the table you want to kill, man? Eh?
You bust up my face. Bust up my head.
I'm Mr. Butler need to put in them crazy. Be careful. But remember, Mr. Butler. They're walking on shot for just arrived.
Going there. Me I go round so go check Sister Patsy, you know. When me in the bed with Sister Patsy, you know, say Chucky, big boy under the bed, I count.
Jesus Christ. Then where them where they come from. Hey, turn man.
Hold on.
Mister. Mr. Butler have two little boy over there.
Yeah.
Me hear say him police, when the police come come for them last night.
I let me look for I really go on.
Eh?
I really go on.
Boy, me no know. But I just one little birdie come tell me say them tear up some farmer paper and something and him lock them up, or somebody round the road them must see a thief out something and him lock them up. Is it?
Yeah.
Because them two little boy them get out of hand, you know?
Yeah, them at the South Tree Gate, my people get down and some see them I jump on the fence, I go over the people in yard, man. I talk to them as big man and if you go them I cuss me.
Yes,
so they don't really have one.
And they have no respect, them no reach nowhere.
Man, I know what go on still, you know?
Listen, man.
And if they can't be all the parents them neither too, you know, because them have some weird nowadays, man. I know what to them star.
Yo, me I tell you, man, me say, man, if we not do something as a community member, something will go happen to we. We can't go turn around here. You can't go turn sit down here so on the roadside and scale the fish them.
Mm-hmm. I sure, man. You
have to hide gunshot.
Yeah.
And a hide gunshot.
Yeah. Them a go on bad, man. And a little boy them, you know?
Lily boy them and me no know his way. Who's walk with and bring them crosses around here so now?
Yeah, I you with them man, but my time as I say you can't be a person because them are more for their own, you know. Much bigger one than what them are do too, you know.
Well, and not even that, you know, say. Miss Russell, there with the little taxi man there down the road there.
Oh, yeah, that may get find out.
Yeah?
That may get find out. I mean, a big man saying fix over it still.
And not even that, and then he come to church and I go on like I say. Yeah?
Yeah. Everybody have done a good thing hiding, but they don't make everybody know, you know.
Me say, you know what, I know when night time come when they go on over the air there.
Sure, man.
That me I tell you know what, I know when night time come. Hey, move friend, bring some people there, sir.
Yeah, man. You see the program still, but you may not want to send them as a look.
Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, so they come go over shop and say, you see?
Yeah, man, me there, man. Yeah, me general.
Well, when they come back, we shoot it. I just saw it.
Yeah.
Can't make one.
See you.